Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So my name is Chanel and I've been a makeup artist for a year now, and I'm just going to be giving you a nice simple makeup tutorial with a pop of color because you know it's Pride Month, and I'm just want to celebrate everybody who's in that community. Shout out to y'all. I love y'all. And yeah, let's get into this pride inspired look, you guys. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Okay, you guys, so the first thing we're going to start off with is the brows. Of course, I always start off with my brows first. And what I forgot to tell y'all in the beginning is that I bought some stuff from Temu, some makeup from Temu. So we're going to be mixing this in with this tutorial, you guys, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I just put some setting powder and I'm just dusting it off. That's the Mercier translucent setting powder. And I'm dusting that off. We're going in with the NYX brow glue and we're just going to illuminate the brows up, you guys. And don't forget to keep watching to the end. I'm going to be giving some tips and tricks like always. Okay, so this is kind of a new step to my brow routine. So you guys listen up carefully. I'm taking these brow pencils from Temu that was 71 cents, you guys. I got the color black and dark brown. So I'm putting black to the end of my brows here right now. And I'm just, connecting that, filling that in, okay? Now we're going to take the dark brown color and we're gonna use that in the beginning of the brow, so it's basically like a ombre effect, you guys. And let me tell you, top tier. Love this technique. I think I got it from Brianna Marie, y'all. Shout out to her. I always say where I get it from. If I get it from somebody, I'm gonna tell y'all where I get it from, okay? Period. And this technique here is literally bomb, okay? So the ending of the brow is going to be more darker than the beginning, which I love. And when you get to the front, you want to do hair-like strokes in the beginning of the brow, and you always want to try to flicker it out and brush the brows. So for my brush, I put some even lace glue on it, you guys, to make the brush really hard and stiff. And then I'm just putting concealer and tracing the brows out. That is another trick. Tell me if you guys want a video on how you flatten your brushes to make it really flat so it can have that clean effect. Okay, so I'm priming the eyes with some Juvia's Place eyeshadow base primer, and we're just gonna prime the eyes with that and blend that out, you guys, because we're doing like this neon color, for Pride. I'm so happy like that Pride Month is here, because at the end of the day, you have to be you and embrace your beauty and your true inner self. You get what I'm saying? So love that for us, okay? And yeah, so I'm just gonna blend that out, you guys. Continue to watch. So after I blend the eyeshadow primer out, I'm going in with this neon pigment that I got from Temu, you guys, for $1.67, you guys. And it's so pigmented and it really glows in the dark. I love this, love this, love this. So this is basically like a 2 eyeshadow step. You're gonna want to put the color, the neon color, only on the lid, like that little space right there on the lid, and then we're gonna blend it out with a color that's close to that in the Beauty Bay eyeshadow palette. Okay, and yeah, sorry, excuse me, God bless me, I don't know what to say. But yeah, so I am blending that out, putting that on the lid, you guys. You just want to pack that color on, and then we're gonna blend it out with the Beauty Bay. So yeah, we're gonna take those two colors right there. The shimmer shade is to go on the inner corners, and we're just gonna blend around the edges with this light neon shade similar to that shade, and we're just gonna blend that out to diffuse the edges. And yeah, you guys, it's so simple, colorful, pop of color. Like, I really love this look, you guys. I think I want to do it with all the colors because it's really pretty. I like to stay low instead of bringing the shadow all the way up to the brows. I really like this movement. And now we're gonna take that shimmer shade that was next to it, and it's like a yellow kind of color, and we're just gonna pop that in the inner corner so it could really pop. Like, you see how that made that pop? It really made it pop. Love that. Okay, and yeah. So we're going to take some e.l.f. liquid eyeliner, and we're going to do a nice little wing. I used to do big wings, but now I'm really into the small, soft wing. Like, it's really giving, like, classy, elegant. I like that. So we're going to stick to small wings from now on, you guys. As you learn to do makeup, like, you learn what you like and what your face structure is to do, you know, so I'm really loving that, you guys. And I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribed already to my channel, because why not? Okay, don't be fake. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna line our eyes up, and we're gonna move on to the face. You know, that's my favorite part, the contouring, the concealing, the setting. Oh, I love that. It's my favorite part. It's so satisfying. And I feel like that's why my videos be so long, because I don't want to take those parts out. Like, I really love the blend. So now I'm going in with this e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. You guys know this is my favorite primer, especially for dry skin. I have dry skin, so this is the primer I use along with Bobbi Brown sometimes when I feel like. And yeah, you guys, make sure you prime and you prep and clean the skin. So after that, we're going to go in and color correct around my dark areas. I'm using the Nars and the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Orange, and Amande, I think, in the Nars Concealer. And we're just going to put it all over our dark areas. So now I'm going in with this velvet kind of sponge. I like this sponge because it don't pick up the product as much. And I got that from Natasha on YouTube, y'all. I hope I'm saying her name right. I love her, y'all. She had one of these sponges. So now I'm going in with the Juvia's contour foundation sticks. And I'm going to just put a lighter shade at the top of my face, and I'm gonna go in with a darker shade, which is Congo, at the bottom of that, so it could have like a ombre kind of effect. It's all about the colors blending nicely, you guys. You don't want no harsh lines, so I feel like it's best for me to do that. And I have two, so why not use it, you know? Makeup do expire every year, you guys. So this is the Born This Way concealer. I'm gonna use that to, you know, highlight, conceal, contour. Just conceal and highlight. So yeah, you guys. I'm also going in with a little bit of Nars. I don't know why it was actually the same color. Like, do you guys ever buy a concealer and literally all my concealers are the same color? Like, I always manage to get the same color. I can't get lighter, or I can't get my skin tone, because that's what I really want. I want a concealer that's lighter and a concealer that's a little like my skin tone, but I can't seem to find that. So I'm blending that out with a beauty blender. And y'all, this beauty blender from Temu, I believe, y'all, A1. Okay, get you a velvet beauty blender, because the sponge beauty blender actually picks up the product too much. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna try to fix my camera more, because the angles is not angling. I don't know what's going on, but I need to learn how to set my cameras and my ring light better, so y'all can see the whole nine, because it's just giving, I don't know. So now that we got that blended out, I'm using the Nars foundation and the Maybelline Radiant foundation. I got that off of Amazon for like $3, y'all. Them together works like a dream, okay? Color everything, because the Nars foundation is too dark and this one is actually a little too light. So it's good to mix and match your foundations as well, you guys. So So I'm taking this foundation brush that I got from Amazon. It's an Instant Pop brush, and I'm just patting my face and blending the foundation and the harsh lines away, you guys. Okay, so if you see that demarcation between your concealer and your foundation, you guys, just go in and tap it out with your foundation brush, and it will literally go away brand new like magic. Okay, so that's another tip, you guys. And yeah, just continue to watch the makeup therapy, because it's giving therapeutic, satisfying energy. Okay. Okay, so this is a blush palette from Temu, and this is supposed to be like the fake dupe to the Makeup Forever palette that they have, you guys. That's $75, and I got it for $5. I'm loving it. Okay, I don't really like, let me be honest, you guys, because you know I'm always honest. I don't really like the concealers that's in there, but the blush, y'all have to try these blushes out. Okay, I'm in love. And it smell like paint. I ain't gonna lie, it smell like paint. But yeah. So after I put my blush, I always like to go in with another round of concealer, and I just blend that out, you guys. And after that, I powder. Of course, you gotta set. Okay, and that's the Mercier translucent powder in deep. And then I'm going in with the Juvia's Place bronzer in deep, and just patting that in all the places that I contoured to really snatch this look together, you guys. uh, I'm in love. This is, you know, the finishing parts is my ish. Okay, so tap that in, and yeah, you guys, I'm going in with a little blush from Bink. or Blink. I hope I'm saying it right, but I'm gonna leave all the links in the description. And this blush is okay. I like it, but it just smells like, I don't know what's going on with my nose, but it smells like, I don't know, like Vaseline or lotion or something. I don't know. I can't seem to get the smell. But the blush is a nice, pretty light blush. When I'm really trying to go light, and barely do anything, this is where I'm going to reach for. It's all right. So, and the spray, of course, is from Temu. You know I love a good highlighter, y'all. Y'all know I like to highlight. Okay, we like to shine like the stars. And this is in the silver shade. And I guess it was like $2 for these. I have the pink one, that one, and the gold one. So it's okay. Like, it's all right. Would I put it on again like that? I don't think so. I might want to open the bottle and just use it like that. Or use my other glitter as sparkles. So yeah, you guys, I really love a good highlighter. Okay, now it's time for the lips. I'm using Juvia's new lip liners, Cocoa Latte, and I'm using the lipstick in Mandisi, I think the name is. Y'all, the links will be all down below. So this is one of their darkest, or dark on the other dark side of the lip liners, because I felt like I couldn't find a proper dark chocolatey, not black but dark brown lip liner, and MAC wasn't cutting it. Like, MAC is light, and Trendsetter from Morphine is a little too light. I wanted a little dark, you know, a little darker. So this right here, definitely, I got this on sale. It was like $4, and I'm gonna wait for the sales to get anything else from Juvias, because that's what I do now, you know. And I love lining my lips with that. Look at how it makes it pop. Girl, I got this one and the other espresso, top tier. The lipstick, top tier. So you know I'm a Morphine topper girl. Okay, we love to top it off with some type of gloss or something like that. And I have this Morphine gloss right here. All the links will be down in the description. Like, I literally gotta go write everything down. And you guys, this gloss goes so perfectly with the lipstick color. Like, A1 sauce, okay? And yeah, if you made it this far, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much. I really love y'all. And then I gotta top it off again with the Shein lip oil, because I noticed like the lip oil just makes it pop even more. Like, so pretty. I know it looks disgusting, but it's just because of my lip liner, you guys. And I really love a good lip oil on top of everything. Okay, so 4 products I think I use for the lips, and this is the look. Like, the look has been looking, okay? So I have one last tip. After you set with the setting spray, you just want to tap everything in with your beauty blender to really make sure like you pressing it into the skin. Okay, thank you. Okay, you guys, so that sums up this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and leave your comments down below. What do you think about this makeup tutorial? What do you want me to do next, you guys? And this is, you know, the finishing look. Okay, just gotta give you a little twirly whirly. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. I really love y'all.